Presenting the 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a sunroof, alloy rims, keyless entry, power mirrors, traction control, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find a premium sound system, front airbags, side airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."